Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ban penbiang yaga oksigen yaki basyakta haka klam jingpang COVID-19. Badru na kabenta kiway ki jaj. Kaway ka company na Bhoi balatip kum ka Nong Mali Infra Private Limited kalawan ra sendon da ka Dr. Oxygen nado nari South Korea. Ya kemuhor jong kani ka oksigen la ai kerteng ka Dr. Oxygen ha ka balawan ra nado nari South Korea balatip ru ya kani ka kenja oksigen kum kata ka portable oxygen ka bayarap shibun ha ka pang ka shitom lada don kam ki nong pang ya ka oksigen. U director ka Nong Mali Infra Private Limited u Alberto Nongse habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor menta kasngi hanong po ula pen itho halor ka jing pendon kam yagani ka Dr. Oxygen bat kumno man pendon kam bat kalong ka basuk bha lada yanu jor bat kiway ki cylinder oxygen u bhara parik u badai u project development consultant jong ka Nong Mali Infra Private Limited haba pensyai halor ka jingmentoy kani ka Dr. Oxygen ulaong balawan ra khnang ye kani ka oxygen nado nari South Korea na ka benta ki nongpang ki badan kam oxygen bat kam longkum ka cylinder oxygen ka bajinjar banra habalait sumar sha ki no ki hospital.
Oxygen has been a major problem during the COVID crisis, and a lot of people have died because of shortage of oxygen. Getting cylinders is difficult. Cylinders are short shelf life. Stocking cylinders are a big problem also. So this problem was faced across the country and across the world. In South Korea, a portable oxygen generator had been developed in which you don't need any electricity, you don't need any cylinders, and it just generates oxygen through a very simple process of water and two sachets. Two sachets are oxygen sachets, and this will give you oxygen for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. The purity of the oxygen is 99%. Now, this has been tested, tried, brought from South Korea, tried in India. 400 pieces have been sold, distributed in Maharashtra with high success in other states also. And it is a lifesaver. Anyone can just put water, two sachets and get oxygen right away till 99% purity of oxygen. This was not available in the Northeast, and right now what is known as Dr. Oxygen Nano Generator will be available throughout the 8 states of Northeast with this office being the distribution center for the Northeast. So we say that not only in COVID but in other circumstances where there are accidents, where there are childbirths, where there are heart attacks, where immediate oxygen is required, and especially in the Northeast where it's hilly areas, it's forests, it's difficult roads, transporting oxygen cylinders, transporting concentrators. Concentrators are useless because electricity is a problem, but even transporting cylinders and all, it's difficult. This anyone can just carry in their hand, take it and give oxygen. Within 2 minutes, a patient is getting oxygen and a life is saved.
Dr. Oxygen produk bagi layok imut berpindah aneh ko jalan ini ko kemudian ketika rekam jangan produk dalam hilang maupun dekat frame ke electricity frame ke light dan ini di Ini di produk beliau yang box dia ada dengan chemical akni ini ada oxygen powder ini ada oxygen powder A oxygen powder B saya akan demonstrate dengan ini kita buat ini kita semua first menghapan cek sebelum kadang level kalau ini drop kadang likely portion A, B, C. Portion A kadang level, portion B kadang level, portion C kadang level. यहाँ बंद है तब तो level sebelah lain hanya berapa? Matangin buah hapok semuanya kontainer. Ada